Jambo, konnichiwa, hello, maganda hapon. It's me, John Masunga, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Laing. Laing. What is Laing? Laing is a Philippine food. It's taro leaves, and it's made with coconut milk with taro leaves. So here are the ingredients of Laing. Okay. First we have bawa in Tagalog language. Bawa and onions or sibuyas, ginger or luya in Tagalog language. Okay, we have lemongrass, like that. We have chili, we have shrimp paste or bagoong in Tagalog language, and salt. Okay, and other people cook Laing together with meat. Today I'm going to use fish, Japanese fish called katsuo. Katsuo is a smoked fish. I'm going to use 3 cans of coconut milk. Okay. Wow. Okay. All right. Good. Garlic or bawa. Okay. I'll add bawa. Then I'll add sibuyas or onion. Wow. So onion. And after that, I will add luya and lemongrass and chili pepper. Okay, and I'll add some salt. Then I will leave it boil for like 5 minutes before I add the shrimp paste. So at this time I have to add the fish, okay, so that it can boil together with the coconut. Right. Okay. Okay. Good. So I will leave it for like 5 minutes to boil, and then I will add the shrimp paste. Kwa hiyo hii ni mboga kama kwa Wasukuma atakwambia likoberia shiri. Elianere likoberia shiri. Likoberia shiri elianere. Alright, so now just boiled enough. Then I will add the taro leaves in the mixture. Okay, slowly. It's dry. Anyway, it's dry. Okay. I will check the taste, and if it's not enough, I will add some magic syrup. I think magic syrup is a very good product for taste. Done, then I will add magic syrup in it. この料理は フィリピンの料理です。何言うの、この料理、ラインというラインで、このラインはタロリーズのから作られている。So as I told you, I am from Africa, okay? If I was from the Philippines, I would tell you, oh, this is perfect with rice. Every Filipino or Filipina will tell you that this is perfect with rice. But because I'm from Africa, I'm gonna tell you this is perfect with ugali. Ugali is a staple food eaten in Africa, and it is made of you can use maize powder, maize flour, rice powder, cassava powder, or corn powder. Okay, I think it's almost done. It's almost done. It's perfect. Now it's time to make ugali, okay? Let's make ugali now. Alright, this is how we cook ugali, okay? First, when the water boils, you add some flour in it, okay? You start mixing it, okay? As you can see, I think this done. Okay, now, okay, very simple one. Okay, and I'll here. See? Africa, Philippines, or Bicol, Philippines plus Africa, Tanzania. Wow, what a perfect combination of meal. Oh my god. It's masalap. Salap, lahat masalap, and salap. Okay, so if you like my videos, please just try to subscribe to my channel, okay? Comment, and I'll make more videos like this, interesting ones, okay? See you in my next video.